Hello. So we are now in the center of Bucharest, and we're about to go get some shawarma. I need to check here to make sure, because here crossing the street is an adventure sometimes. Okay. It's a little bit cold. I think it's around 11 degrees Celsius. Yeah, after that we're gonna take a walk in the park, a very famous park in Bucharest, and I'll take you along. This is the view that I'm seeing right now. Waiting for the green light. I hope you can hear me well. I didn't install the microphone. It's in my bag. The red light takes forever. Guys, I'm telling you, this is one of the best shawarmas you can find in Bucharest. I'm gonna leave the address in the description. I'm so excited. Wow, this looks really tasty, and these are the prices in Romanian money. I had to film this part with the phone since I've put the camera in my bag. Nice. And this is the shawarma place I've been telling you about. And this is how it looks like. Garlic sauce. Everything. It's chicken shawarma. Hello again. I ate the shawarma. I didn't film that part. So we are now in the park. This is the park. It's called Cismigiu Park. It's pretty big, and usually there's a lot of people here, so I'm gonna take you along with me. My hands are freezing a little bit holding the camera. It's supposed to be a good weather today, but yeah, it's not. Oh, there's also a lake here. They also have a nice restaurants where you can eat. Okay. It's really beautiful here. This is a lake. I will show you. I just want to show you the lake, guys. The lake in the winter, they make skating. I'm not sure how you call that. Well, where you can skate. Ice skating, yeah, ice skating. It's quite nice. Okay, let's keep walking. Nice flowers. Tulip, I think. Really nice one. A white one. A lot of flowers. We continue our walk. And we reach really close to the lake. A restaurant. In the summer it's really nice. When it's warm you can sit, you can have a drink, you can eat. It's really peaceful. But nobody's here. It's empty. It's a little bit too cold outside to sit. More flowers. Oh hey, a popcorn machine. Here you can rent a little I forgot the word. To a boat for the lake. Oh, don't tell me that a bird just took a, on me. They really made it beautiful. Cute little lights. In the evening it looks also really nice. More flowers, lots of them, and a long path to walk, to ride a bicycle. Everything you want, you can do. Guys, you hear the birds? I wish the weather was better. I wish it was more warm. Ah. What's that, like a little cave in the middle of the park? Yeah, it's like a... not sure what it is. A little cave. Interesting. I don't think you can go in. Yeah, it's really nice. Look how many flowers! This is a long park. It's big. Oh, there's a little bridge. Let's cross it. Let's see what's on the other side. I mean, I know what's on the other side. A park. Last time I've been here, gotta be honest, it wasn't so clean. And more popcorn machine. Pictures with famous Romanian actors. This is really nice. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I'll continue my walk, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Please comment, like, subscribe. Thank you very much for your support and a lot of love. Bye.